We've reached night 2 of my budget dinner series. I went to Walmart this week with $58, and I'm turning that haul into 5 dinners you can serve your family. They're all simple, delicious, and packed with as much nutrition as possible. Let me show you what you're going to need for tonight's dinner. We're using our restaurant-style tortilla chips, 1 pound of the 93.7 grass-fed ground beef, cherry tomatoes, our 3 lemons, the bulb of garlic, our package of small avocados, black beans, a 12 count of hard taco shells, and taco seasoning mix. Now I'm only using half of this ground beef tonight. The other half I'm gonna store away for another meal this week. Now this is right where things went wrong. My pan was way too hot, but don't worry, I recovered quickly. Golly! It's gone. I'm only going to use half of this taco seasoning package and use the other half later this week. Little splash of water to get everything worked together. I rinsed off my black beans. Okay, I just chopped up those cherry tomatoes into smaller chunks. I want these to have a good kick of flavor, so I'm adding in 2 minced up garlic cloves, a good pinch of salt, a good pinch of black pepper, and just kind of toss everything together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start making a quick guacamole to serve with those chips, and we can also use them on top of the tacos. 8 years ago. I just chop mine really good with a knife and then I start mashing it up with a fork. So I like a pretty simple guacamole. Squeeze in these 3 lemons. I bought 3 lemons this week, but I'm actually only gonna use 1.5 of those. It just seems like too much. Bought garlic powder this week, so I'm gonna add a good shake of that. And we're just gonna do a good pinch of salt and pepper. Mashing it all up really good. Forgot to mention I am using the other half of one of those mild cheddar cheese blocks that we got this week. So you can be fairly generous with that. So I'm adding the beef and beans right over that cheese, and that'll help start to melt it a little bit. Got some of these garlic tomatoes. I like adding sour cream to a little Ziploc bag, and you can just cut off the tip, and it makes putting the sour cream on the tacos a lot easier. Spreads it out more evenly so you don't just have a big blob of sour cream in one area. Those are really good. The cheese is nice and melty at the bottom. I truly don't even notice that the beans are there if you're not a bean person. I'll see you tomorrow for night 3's dinner.